So on the off chance you have these Raybestos brake pads in your Amazon cart and you say, you know what, let me go check some reviews before I go ahead and buy these. Let me show you something real quick. Look at this. These brake pads are less than a year old. I bought these in March of 2025. As of this video, it is February the 2nd of 2026. Less than a year old. They're already grinding on the disc right here. So I'm gonna take them out. Let's see how they look. Look at this. Look at that. Not even a year old. This pad is completely worn. This is uneven wearing too. I don't know, man. This seems kind of unacceptable. Check this out. That's no brake pad right there. So the ones I'm replacing it with today are these Bosch. I think they're called Platinum. No, it's called Blue. And the reason I remember that is because it comes with these two blue shop rags. And it comes with the 4 pads and some brake grease. Hopefully these will last me longer than 1 year. So this is what a normal brake pad would look like, brand new. Trying to do this with one hand here. And this is the other brake pad. Killed the disc. Less than a year old. So Raybestos, the best in brakes? I don't know. I don't think so. So I just wanted to share that with you. If you're like me and when you bought the brake pads, you're like, I'm really not too sure of the brand. I've never heard of it, but they are cheap, so I'll just go ahead and take the chance. Well, here I am less than a year later, changing out the brakes again, and I have to change out the disc. Not only on this side, I have to change it on that side too, because they have to wear the same. So you're gonna end up spending more money in the long run. To be fair, I didn't have any performance issues, no squeaking, no slow stops, no, well, yeah, grinding, but I didn't really notice it till it started grinding maybe a few days ago. And it wasn't even a crazy loud grind. It was just like a low rumble. So I didn't think it was that bad. I didn't think my whole brake pad was worn off. That is crazy. Usually when something like that happens, it's making a horrible sound. But it was really hard to tell. At the beginning of the week, I just kind of started to hear something up until a few days ago where it got progressively worse. But I mean, it didn't sound like the whole brake pad was off. But yeah, performance wise, they were fine, but less than a year.